Hi everybody, my name is Peggy aka Peggypeg. Welcome on my channel. So today I want to talk to you a little bit about scalp massages. Scalp massages. Sorry, English is not my first language. I think you know by now. But yeah, so I want to talk a little bit with you about that. So I personally think that it's very important in your hair routine. So there is many ways to do a scalp massage. You can do it with oil or without oil. I prefer to do mine with oil because it really multiplies the benefits of a scalp massage. Okay, so what's first a scalp massage? So a scalp massage is rubbing your finger on your scalp, and that's actually gonna stimulate the circulation of your blood that's in your head, and that's actually gonna stimulate your hair growth. If you want, you can include that in your hair regimen, your hair routine. So I like to do mine once a week. You can do it more if you want to. There's like no limit of a scalp massage that you want to do. You can do it every day if you want to, not with oil, like just 2 minutes and just rub your scalp. That's actually good for your hair, but I'm lazy, so I always forget to do it. So what I do is I do my scalp massage with my hot oil treatment. So what I use is this Jamaican black castor oil. I already talked to you about this oil in my favorite products of 2018. So yeah, I really like this one because we all know that Jamaican black castor oil actually make your hair grow faster and thicker. So that's why I like to use this one. But I also like to mix it with another oil, sometimes olive oil or coconut oil, but yeah, that's always the base. So I always put that in my little bottle. There is some left from my last wash day. So after I finish shampooing my hair, that's when I do my hot oil treatment. So I put the oil in this bottle, I warm it a little bit, then with the tip I just apply it everywhere on my scalp, and I take my fingers and massage it for 2 minutes. So sometimes if I want to, I can use another device instead of my fingers, and it's this thing. So it has like peaks to it that you're actually gonna rub on your head, and with this button here, I don't know if you can see it, yeah, that's actually vibrating. So with the circulation that you do with your fingers and the vibration of the product itself, it really like increases the circulation, the blood circulation. So yeah, that's what I do. I'm just gonna include a little footage of what my hot oil treatment looks like. So yeah, this is what I do every week. during my wash day with my hot oil treatment. So if you want to, you can do that, or as I said, you can only use your fingers and do it every day if you want to, or you can also do it every day with some oils only on your tip on your fingers and really massage it. So after that, you don't necessarily have to wash your hair, because if you do it every day, you're not gonna wash your hair every day, but the oil is just gonna stay on your scalp, and you're actually gonna get more benefits that way. If I can find the website where I bought this thing, I'm gonna leave a link to it in the description box, so don't worry about that. It's gonna be there if I found it. And another benefit of using oil with your scalp massage, it's actually gonna help to get rid of dandruff. So if you suffer from dandruff or psoriasis like myself, this is really gonna help, because that's gonna give more moisture directly to your scalp. So that's really gonna help with the dry scalp that you have. As I said, I do it every week during my wash day, but if you want, you can only do it for like the winter time and the summertime. If you don't want to have too much oil in your hair, you can do it with just your bare fingers. And also, when doing your scalp massage, be really careful to only use the tip of your fingers, not using your nails, because you're actually gonna scratch your scalp with that, and that's not good. We don't want to scratch our head. We only want to massage with our finger. Okay, so this part here that you want to use, just like that. Okay. Yeah, so that's it for this quick video about what's a scalp massage, how to do a scalp massage, how I do mine, and things like that. So tell me in the comments if you actually do massages on your scalp. If you don't, if you do, what oil do you use, or if you don't use any oil. So yeah, I want to know all that stuff, guys. I'm really curious. So yeah, leave a comment down below. And yeah, that's it. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to like this video if you liked. I hope you liked. But yeah, and don't forget to watch another video that I posted before. So yeah, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. So yeah, I'll see you in another one, guys. Bye, love you.